Hey there and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use the Rectangle tool in TradingView. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not only how to draw rectangles on your chart, but also how this tool can help you highlight important price zones and make your analysis stand out, whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up your charting skills. Alright, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have TradingView open with the chart you want to work on. Now look over to the left side of your screen, that's where you'll find your drawing panel. This panel is packed with helpful tools, but today we're focusing on the Rectangle tool. If you don't see it right away, no worries. It's usually represented by a small shape icon, and if you click and hold, a list of different shapes pops up. Go ahead and select the rectangle. You should now have the Rectangle tool ready to use. Once you've got the tool selected, it's time to actually draw on your chart. Think of the Rectangle tool as your way of highlighting a specific region, like marking off a quiet reading corner in a big, busy room. Lots of traders use rectangles to mark areas of support and resistance, places where the price tends to bounce or stall, or to spotlight consolidation zones, so you know exactly where price action is concentrating. To plot your rectangle, simply click where you want one corner to start, maybe it's at the lower bound of a support area, and then drag your mouse to enclose the region you're interested in. You can make it as wide or as narrow as you need. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect at first. You can always adjust the size or position by grabbing the edges and moving them around until it feels just right for your analysis. Now, once you've drawn your rectangle, you might notice the default look isn't quite what you had in mind. Maybe you want a bolder outline, a different fill color, or perhaps you want some transparency so you can still see the candlesticks behind it. That's where customization comes in, and it's super simple. Just right-click on your rectangle and choose Settings, or you might see a gear or pencil icon pop up nearby. Clicking this will bring up the drawing settings. Inside the Settings panel, you can adjust things like the border color, thickness, fill opacity, and more. For instance, you might choose a soft blue with 60% opacity to identify demand zones, or a bold red for supply areas. Take a moment here and personalize the rectangle to fit your workflow. Customizing colors and styles isn't just about aesthetics. It'll help you visually organize your analysis at a glance, especially if you're tracking multiple levels across different charts. And honestly, that's really all there is to it. You've just learned how to select the Rectangle tool, plot your key zones, and customize the appearance so your charts are both informative and uniquely yours. If you ever make a mistake or want to get rid of a rectangle, just select it and hit the delete key. TradingView makes it super easy to keep your workspace clean. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share how you use the Rectangle tool, drop a comment below. I love hearing your strategies and ideas. And if you want more clear and easy tutorials on TradingView and other trading platforms, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out. See you in the next video.